Good morning. Good morning. We are continuing taxation of dividend. Last session we covered actual dividend. There we covered from Indian company received from foreign company. Deemed dividend में 5 sections we have. 222 A, B, C, D, E. We completed till C. A was complete distribution of assets. B was for debentures. And third was distribution of assets on liquidation. Correct? Now start with 222D. 222D. Do not copy. Distribution of assets on reduction of share capital deemed as dividend. वापस बोलो हेडिंग बोलो रे. Distribution of assets on reduction of share capital deemed as dividend. Do not copy. In our 222A, how many trees we had? 4. First was case. Second tree रे, value of deemed dividend under section. Third, tax treatment. Okay. केस क्या है सुनो. कंपनी क्या distributes assets to on reduction of share capital. Listen, the entry for this transaction will be entry for this share capital account debit to asset account. Correcta kada? Share capital account debit to asset account. So remember, when assets are 2, 3 sections are applicable. If it is on liquidation, C. If it is on reduction of share capital, D. Any other case, A. वापिस बोलो चलो. When assets are 2, 3 sections are applicable. On liquidation, C. On reduction, D. Any other case, okay. Value of deemed dividend. You will copy the same thing what you wrote for 222A. क्या लिखे 222A के लिए? Same, whichever is, you will copy same. Of which one? A. Tax treatment क्या लिखे? In the hands of company, no tax treatment. Shareholder? You will copy that also. Same. Clear. With this we complete. But the climax will start now. That's the most important, most complicated, repeatedly asked in exam. रिपीटेडली आज इन एग्जाम। और एक चीज सर, कॉपी करो। हो गया। बोलो रे। ठीक है। हाँ 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 हाँ। On the screen, we completed with A, B, C, D, E. Om Magic Namaha. Sure. Do not copy the. It's a very big chart. Concept को समझाता हूँ, सुनो। 222. Please या participate. 222 E. Heading बोलता loan or advance given by closely held company. Sir, we know what is a అబ్బా తెలుసా ఏంట్రా క్లోజ్లీ హెల్డ్ అంటే? వి నో డివైట్ నోరే, వి నో వాట్ ఈస్, बट व्हाट इज क्लोजली हेल्ड बोले तो अदर देन लिस्टेड कंपनीज एंड फ्यू कैटेगरीज बोल तो क्लोजली हेल्ड में 2 कंपनीज आर कवर्ड, प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, अनलिस्टेड पब्लिक, दोज आर कॉल्ड क्लोजली हेल्ड कंपनीज. फर्स्ट थिंग, this was also Ambani's concept. What he did, he got a meeting of shareholders in extraordinary general meeting. Extraordinary बोलतो other than EGM. He asked shareholders, dividend कावाला, dividend होना क्या होना, but he said if I give you dividend I have to pay DDT at that time. At that time, so he said, what do you want at the end of the day? I will give you in the form of loan or advance. Entry in our books will be loan to shareholder account debit to bank, and the loan will be shown under loans and advances under the asset side of the balance sheet, and that amount will never come back to the company. So see the intention, company is saved from paying the DDT, shareholder received their money, they can enjoy that money, shareholder need not repay the amount, and for shareholder that is not an income also, because it's a loan. Whenever you take a loan from anyone, that's not an income. Waste fellows, वो income नहीं होता. So who is losing at the end of the day? Government is losing. If you are the finance minister, what will you advise? कौन है रे वो? What will you advise if you are the finance minister to stop this nonsense? What Chidambaram did was, he said, Pada, private limited company or unlisted pump give loan or to shareholder where shareholder holds minimum 10% of equity share capital or voting power. Chalo, once again, who is giving the loan? Private or unlimited? किसको लोन दे रहा? Shareholder. The shareholder should hold minimum 10% of the shares. Then Sitaraman amended. कौन सर? Sitaraman, finance minister, honorable, by Finance Act 2020 amended. It is a, still we will treat it as income. Shareholder, do you want loan? Go to bank. Why are you troubling the company? You are entitled to receive anything from company only in the form of dividend. But you chiller fellow, you took in the form of loan or advance. We will tax you even though it is a loan amount. I am not saying anything, sir. Logic clear. Which section will apply in 3 cases? We covered the first case. First case क्या है वापिस बोलो रे? Loans and advances given to shareholder where shareholder holds minimum 10%. Clear? Clear? So it will be taxable in the hands of shareholder only. Next question is, good, under income from other source. Next question should be, what is the amount of income? Government clarified, same what we are covering, loan amount or AP, accumulated profits, whichever is lower. Today I'll tell you what do you mean by सब कुछ समझा देता मैं आपको. फर्स्ट केस क्लियर. सेकेंड केस क्या हुआ? सी द लॉजिक नाउ. Who introduced this? See, Chidambaram introduced. This was there, but amendment was there. Introduction was by Chidambaram. What Dhirubhai Ambani did now? He was the shareholder. Company gave him. Who should pay the tax? What he did? He asked the company to give loan to his driver. And he took money from the driver. Will this section apply now? This section will not apply, no sir. केवल तो ये section कब apply होता? When the loan is given to shareholder. Chidambaram was very clever. He introduced one more case. Case number. If a company give loan or to a driver kadra waste fellow. Driver kai ko re. To third party, and third party gives that money to shareholder, that is on or behalf of shareholder, then also this concept will apply. Then also this concept will apply. Second rule, who gave loan? Company. Three things you should remember. Kya? Three things. Rate of interest is irrelevant. You gave the loan with interest, without interest, you charge less interest, you charge more interest, does not bloody matter. Next. Mode of payment of the loan also irrelevant. You gave the loan by cash, by check, phone pay, Google Pay, does not bloody matter. And third, you gave the loan, I repaid in 1 month. That also does not matter. चलो, what are the three things which are does not matter? वापिस बोलो रेवेश fellows. Rate of interest is does not matter. Mode of payment does not matter. Repayment చేసాడు వాడు, that also does not matter. But इसमें गूगली आ गया. Is a bank and their business is only to give the loans, then will this section apply up to do also? So government clarified. Padho. मनी लेंडिंग बिजनेस में है वो कंपनी. कौन से बिजनेस में है रे? दिस सेक्शन विल नॉट अप्लाई provided the loan is given at market rate interest. Loan is given at AOB, any other business other than money lending section 222E will apply. What do you mean by that? Also they clarified. They said minimum 50% of the income क्या should be comprising of interest income. आपका 50% से ज्यादा income should be which income? Then those businesses are called मनी लेंडिंग बिजनेस, बैंक हो सकता, एनबीएफसी हो सकता, और कुछ भी हो सकता, फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन हो सकता। समझ में आ रहा? चलो, व्हेन विल दिस सेक्शन अप्लाई टू विच कंपनीज? So I can conclude this section does not apply to widely held companies. That is nothing but listed companies. Why this section does not have listed companies? Because SEBI will kill you if you do this nonsense. As per SEBI listing guidelines, this is prohibited. Absolutely not allowed. You will be delisted from the stock market only if nonsense is done like this. So this section does not apply to those companies. Are also called companies in which good public are substantially interested. I don't know whether you heard this word or not. Those widely held companies are also called companies in which public are substantially interested. As of now, how many cases we covered? 2 cases. Directly given to shareholder, yes. Given to third party for benefit of, who will pay the tax? Shareholder. How much we don't know. Let us cover the third case. I am writing here the third, but I am writing on the next page. Okay? उसमें क्या बोलता? Third one. Company gave loan or advance to, नहीं, partnership firm or LLP. Partnership firm or, listen, suno what Ambani did. Ambani gave loan to shareholders. Chidambaram did is case 1. Ambani gave loan to driver. Case 2. Ambani gave loan to a firm where he was a partner. समझ में आ रहा? Gave loan to LLP where he was a partner. Then case 1 also will not apply. Case 2 also will not apply. Chitam introduce case 3 that if you give loan to firm or LLP or AOP or BOI or another company where shareholder has substantial interest in the concern. क्या कहते? Substantial. This will be covered or already covered in clubbing of income. This word. Substantial interest बोल तो greater than or 20% of interest. चलो सुनो. I am a shareholder. I asked my company to give a loan to partnership firm where I have minimum 20% profit sharing ratio. I asked my company to give loan to another company in which I hold 20% equity shares. समझ में आ रहा? Then also this section will apply. But the question now is, whom should we tax? Shareholder or the person who received the loan? There was a confusion in the market. Government clarified. कौन clarify करा? वापिस बोलो रे. Government. We will tax in the hands of under IFOS. Clear? बोलो किसको टैक्स करना? But obvious we will tax the concern. కన్సర్న్ అంటే కన్సర్న్ అంటే కన్సర్న్ అంటే recipient who received the loan. Who received the loan in my example? All these fellows. All these fellows. Background clear? We'll go into depth now. Chalo bolo, which three cases में this section applies to waste fellows? Directly to shareholder, to third party for the benefit of shareholder, and a firm company OP where shareholder has. Okay. Note points में number 1. Tax treatment in the hands of company, shareholder, concern. In the hands of no tax treatment. In the hands of taxable 1 and 2 case में it is taxable. In the hands of taxable in the third case. Clear? Now the second question is, how much is taxable? How much is taxable? That is also called value of deemed dividend under section 222E. That is the loan or advance amount, accumulated profits, non-capitalized. This is one more point. Capitalized we will not take here. Logic I also don't know. There are few things I also don't know, sir. I'll be very frank. I don't know the reason, but here it is only non-capitalized. Whichever is lower, that amount will be taxable under the head income from other sources. Am I making myself absolutely bluntly clear? Then I'll take you lot of cases. Lot of cases I'll take you. Pakka? Any questions? Any questions, please? Boy, any questions? बोलो रे. ठीक है, ये हो गया. हेलो, ओके. कॉपी करना है पहले, शैल आई कंटिन्यू? एक चीज बोलो रे. करो कॉपी. चलो, क्या हुआ? आई एम सॉरी, व्हाट हैपेंड? नो ट्रीज, दिस इज ओनली ट्रीज. व्हाट ट्रीज रेस में? हो गया? సిగ్గులేదురా నీకు? हो गया? मेरे को एक मटेरियल दे दो। And I have got my case study with me. I don't know whether you got Wish Fellow. Today, I'm starting today only. Cheating, huh? What cheating? What about that teaching which my wife is doing with me? She's troubling me. That is not cheating, huh? That is my headache. Okay. This is your headache. कौन है रे वो पागल? हो गया? क्या कल तक करेंगे क्या रे? चलो listen. What are the three things which are irrelevant रे? Rate of interest, huh? Mode of payment and repayment of loan. The moment you take the loan, current will apply, this section will apply. What happens after that is, once I make a mistake, done. Even if I say sorry, she'll not agree. Exactly same thing here also. पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस అవును. चलो क्या था अभी उसके बाद? ओम क्या भी दिस ये था. ये कैरी. चलो हेलो 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 हेलो. क्या 5? क्या 5? Are we learning something new or the other daily? Something every second? ये क्या है रे? डबल ओवर एक्शन. ठीक है. लिसन. अरे क्या रे, जल्दी करो. If time permits. हाँ? क्या? When is Holi? Again I am asking. Holi tomorrow. 28. Playing is 28 or playing is 29? Only? Only reading daily. अब ओवर एक्शन तो చూడండి. चलो कितने नोट पॉइंट्स हो गए रे? 2 ऑन द स्क्रीन. ओम नमः शिवाय. ऑन द स्क्रीन. यहां देखो नंबर 3. चुपचाप सुनते जाओ. दिस इतना ब्यूटीफुल चार्ट नहीं मिलता आपको. क्लोजली हेल्ड कंपनीज, they are into money lending business. Any other business, money lending business, they lend it, they give loan to shareholders at this section will, they gave at. Any other case बोले तो either free they gave or less than market, then this section will apply, it seems. यहां तक क्लियर? एनी अदर केस, ट्रेड एडवांसेस इन द नेचर ऑफ. वापिस पढ़ो, वापिस पढ़ो. चलो ओके, एग्जाम्पल से समझाता हूं. आई एम अ शेयर होल्डर ऑफ राशि सीमेंट्स. अज्यूमिंग रे राशि cements. What that Rasi Cements manufacture? Wow. Cement. Okay. What is the raw material for cement? Sigledra. Limestone. Participate here. Limestone. I am a shareholder. I also have a shop of limestone. Personal business. Possible? Company entered an agreement with me that I will supply limestone after 3 months. But I told the company to give the advance for that. Right now, company gave the advance. I am supposed to deliver the limestone in. What did company give? Advance. Will this section apply now? कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में? मैं क्या पूछ रहा हूं? गवर्नमेंट क्लैरिफाइड इफ इट इज in the nature of, this section will not apply. If it is, this section will, here also this section will apply. 2 minutes to you. Page number 299, question number 15, module 1. Please go through the question and answer quick. This we are talking about. चेक करो जल्दी. ठीक है. हेलो, वन मोर थिंग, यहां देखो, एंड क्या, एंड रिफर केस लॉ मटेरियल. क्या कहते रे, केस लॉ मटेरियल. ओपन करो. In my page number it is 16. Here will be plus or minus 1. Listen. The heading should be this. Check करो. Please जल्दी चेक करो, irritate मत करो. 15. हाँ, माइनस 16. I told you plus or minus 1, वो जो भी है. मिला 15 में. नंबर करो. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 है, बोलो रे. We have to refer case law number 4. केस लॉ नंबर 4. नाम क्या है, एम्बेसिडर. क्या कहते हैं, एम्बेसिडर ट्रैवल्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड केस. चलो, रीड दिस नाउ. गेट अ हाइलाइटर. हाईलाइट द इंपॉर्टेंट सेंटेंस. कितने बार बोला हाइलाइटर लेके आओ रे. అక్కడ వైఫ్ డస్ నాట్ లిజన్, ఇక్కడ స్టూడెంట్ డస్ నాట్ లిజన్, ఆఫీస్లో ఆర్టికల్స్ డోంట్ లిజన్. క్యా ठीक है. हेलो, am I supposed to remember the name of the case law? Not required. As long as you remember the decision, that's more than sufficient for us. ठीक है. सो समझ में आया रे. विच पॉइंट रे, पॉइंट नंबर 3. पक्का समझ में आया, बोलो रे. You will copy? Wait, we'll cover few more points. Point number 4. Concept of, यहाँ देखो, who gave loan to whom? Assuming it is interest loan, who will pay interest to whom? Shareholder to company. For whom it's income, for whom it's an expenditure. कंपनी के लिए इनकम हो गया, शेयरहोल्डर के लिए स्टार्ट. कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट रिसीव्ड बाय कंपनी फ्रॉम ऑन एलए अमाउंट बोल तो इट इज टैक्सेबल फॉर कंपनी अंडर आईफॉस. ठीक है, सिंपल. हु इज पेइंग इंटरेस्ट, पढ़ो. Now we will, government says, రే షేర్ హోల్డర్ లోన్ వచ్చింది కదా, ఏం చేసినవరా, లోన్ అమౌంట్ కి యూజ్డ్ ఫర్ బిజినెస్, ఆర్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నో డిడక్షన్ ఆన్ ద ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అమౌంట్. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ that interest నువ్వు డెబిట్ చేయొచ్చు టు P&L अकाउंट. सर डेप्थ में समझा रहा हूं, इतना सब एग्जाम में नहीं पूछता, नॉलेज के लिए समझो आप लोग. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट, yesterday I also told you that I will be covering meaning of, पढ़ो ये, which reserves are included or excluded for the calculation of. Come to this page number please. Tells na kuda you come ra, over action oddu. 284. This dabba you will write as homework. Here too हियर। यस बोले तो वेश बोलो yes, those are included. No बोले तो not included for the calculation of accumulated profit. General reserve, share premium, no. Depreciation reserve, no. Revaluation reserve, no. Capital reserve, no. Except that all other reserves are included. एग्जाम में नहीं पूछता, बट नॉलेज के लिए मालूम रहना। क्लियर? चलो, पक्का? पक्का? ओके, सो व्हाट यू आर सपोज टू राइट नाउ, वो बोलो। पॉइंट, थर्ड पॉइंट लिखना है। चलो, पुलिस जल्दी करो रे। Again, I am requesting you, you will not read this chapter from PDF notes. With a sound mind, I repeat, you will not read this chapter from PDF notes. ठीक है, अरे क्या रे, इतना टाइम कहीं को लगते रे तुम लोग को। सुपर। क्या रे, ठीक है। दिस वॉज पॉइंट नंबर। स्टूडेंट्स वाचिंग गोल्ड अप एंड इफ नॉट डन पॉज द वीडियो प्लीज। ओके, हो गया। chalo, copy this. Listen, we will write 6, 7, 8, 9 points we have. For point number, you will leave one page. Why will you leave one page or half page for homework? ठीक है, on the screen. ठीक है, चलो पॉइंट नंबर 6. पूरे पेन से खराब है सर. पॉइंट नंबर 6, refer case laws from case law material, that is case law 1 to 4, from page, in my it is 15 to 16. Income from other sources ka you write 15 to 17, 16 to 17, does not matter, or 15 to 17. Check and write. How many case laws we have? 5. Already 1 is completed, so the remaining 4. Out of that 1 I will not cover now. ठीक है, on the screen. Please यार, start करें, आ जाओ. We are starting with this. सुनो, heading बोलो. Please yeah, participate. Parley Plastics Limited. If a money lending business gives loan, will this section apply? Provided they give loan at market. But what do my money lending business? their substantial portion should be interest income. How much portion should be interest income? That is what this case law says. Read. We know this already. इनकम फ्रॉम अदर सोर्सेस में केस लॉ मटेरियल में यही रहता. ठीक है. यस सर नो बोलो रे बस. चलो केस लॉ नंबर 2 मार्क एज इंपॉर्टेंट. 2 and 3 are important. 2 and 3 are important. Let us start with 2. चलो सुनो. Let me read. Can repair and renovation expenses incurred by a company in respect of a premises leased out by shareholder having substantial interest in the company be treated as deemed dividend? Em ardham kaaled sir. On the screen, I am a shareholder. Suna, I own 3-floor building. I gave it to company on rent basis. Who will pay the rent to whom? For me it's an income. Yes. Due to expansion of the company, they constructed the 4th floor. Company bear the expenses. Now the case was, who got indirect benefit due to this? Shareholder. Before it was 3-floor building, now it is. Will that construction cost be called as deemed dividend under 222E? I do not know. Check what did High Court say. उसको उठाओ. गुड मॉर्निंग बोलो उसको. So wash your face and come. You only and else who? चलो नेक्स्ट. केस लॉ नंबर 3. प्रदीप कुमार मल्होत्रा. सुनो इसमें क्या हुआ. इट्स नॉट दैट सिंपल. सुनो क्या हुआ. सुनो यार. ही वॉज अ शेयर होल्डर ऑफ अ कंपनी. क्या था. शेयर होल्डर. ठीक है. कंपनी टुक अ लोन फ्रॉम सम बैंक अज्यूमिंग ICICI बैंक से लोन लिया. कौन लिया लोन. कंपनी. Who should give guarantee for the loan? Company only. Company did not have any assets to give the securities. Shareholder gave his house as security for the loan taken by company. यहां तक क्लियर. हेलो यहाँ तक क्लियर. Now can I sell the property? Can shareholder sell his property No, the papers are with bank. Unless the loan is fully repaid, the documents will not be handed over. ठीक है? After few years, he was in urgent need of money. Who? Shareholder. He wanted to sell the house, but practically it was not possible. He went to company Gurtunda. When you were in need of help, I gave you the help. Now I am in need of money. I would not have come to you had I been in a position to sell my house, but I am left with no other option. Company says, okay, you take the money as a loan or advance. Now the question which arised, will 222E will apply? Matter went with court and court said, the intention of is not to avoid DDT. The loan was given on gratitude, as the shareholder helped the company when the loan was taken from ICICI Bank. It was a gratitude gesture given by the company. 222E will not apply. I am not saying this. Quote in a very famous case law. Pradeep Kumar Manhotra case law. Read please. I told you I will not read the case law. My job is to explain. I will explain. चलो ठीक है. On the screen, case law number 4 completed. No, case law number 5. Listen, this will be covered, लिख लो, in taxation of NR chapter, not here. Taxation of NR chapter, there I'll cover this, not here. ठीक है. So case laws are completed. Now let us complete the problems please. We'll go from back end. Page number 306. 305 में आओ. Question number 23. We'll start from here, we'll go back end. So 23 से we'll go to question 1. back end से जाएंगे अपन. Page number 305. Everyone on the screen. If the page number does not match, plus or minus 1. If that doesn't match, use your brains. Go to the index, see the chapter name, and then open question number 23 in that chapter. Please, common sense should prevail. Everyone on the screen. Discuss whether liability to deduct tax arises in the following cases. Remember one more, I did not tell you. I would have covered in note points. Who is giving loan to whom? Company to TDS under 194 will apply. company is supposed to deduct TDS at the rate of 10%. That I'll give as a note point. I have that note point just for knowledge. Start. Please pado. Luminous Private Limited, whose accumulated profits are 20 lakhs, wants to disburse a loan of 25 lakhs to Mrs. Nisha, resident shareholder holding 20%. Stop. Who gave loan to whom? Is it a private company? Yes. Is it to a shareholder? Yes. Shareholder should hold minimum 20 kadra rate, 10% only. Case 1. Case 1, 10%. Loan amount 25 lakhs. Accumulated profits 20 lakhs. Whichever is Ray Nisha, your income will be 20 lakhs. You have to pay tax on it. Stop. Company, you are supposed to deduct on 20 lakhs. Next. The finance feels that this being a pure loan transaction, there is no bar for disbursing the entire amount. Is this view correct? Waste fellow. Neeku em kadra company, but for shareholder, 20 lakhs becomes taxable. Under which head? Income from other sources. But if we can prove that advance is for trade commercial transactions, this section will check the answer. Please, 1 hour, please concentrate. All these are important questions as in recent examinations. Please concentrate. ठीक है? Hello? 22 was given as review. 22 was given as review in yesterday's class. Hello? 7, 14 and 22. 21 आ जाओ. 21, one good news, one bad news. Cancel the question. Already covered in buyback concept. If you remember, we did buyback in capital gain topic. There this same question was covered. Prove करूं? Prove करो. I'll prove. I know you might say, sir, nonsense is saying. What is the name of the person? Covered in which topic? Buyback. Come to this page number. Page number 308. This question what I'm talking about. This is the same question what we have there. Okay, so need not cover once again. बार बार कहीं करते पागल हो गए क्या? चलो on the screen question number बोलो रे 20. This is nothing but how many case laws we covered? Huh? 4. लिख लो आंसर. Refer वीर विक्रम वेद केस लॉ. कौन सा केस लॉ रे? That is case law number 2. Give the page number of the case law module. ये केस में क्या था याद है? I am the owner of 3 floors. Company constructed 4th floor will not be called as deemed dividend. Read the question only. Don't read the answer. Only read the question. ठीक है, दिस वाज क्वेश्चन. कम टू 19. हेलो, इसको रिव्यू बोल के लिख लो. गो होम एंड रीड. नथिंग ग्रेट यू हैव इन दिस. Nothing great you have in this. 18. 18 completed. Come to 17. Come to 70. Listen. आंसर लिख लो. रिफर प्रदीप मल्होत्रा केस लॉ. प्रदीप कुमार मल्होत्रा केस लॉ. गिव द पेज नंबर of your case law material. Pradeep Kumar Malhotra. What happened in that case law, sir? I gave my house as security. Later I wanted the amount. I cannot sell my house. I took a loan from company. That loan will not be called as deemed dividend. करे थे ना रे. Read the question. ठीक है, चलो. दिस वाज क्वेश्चन. कम टू 16. Okay, on the screen. Let us read now slowly. HLI Private Limited is a company with 3 shareholders. H 40% shareholder, L 20 and I on behalf of HUF. कौन कौन शेयर होल्डर है? H L I HUF. Correct no re? Can HUF be a shareholder? Answer is yes. Okay. How much percent shareholder he is? 40%. Okay. The company gave a loan of 9 lakhs to IHUF. Stop. Is HUF a shareholder? Yes. Company gave a loan. Case 1, case 2, case 3. It is case 1 directly. Directly to shareholder. Directly to shareholder. Case 1. How much percent holding? 40. It is more than 10%. No. Who gave the loan? Is it a private company? Conditions are satisfied. Loan amount. Accumulated profit 6 lakhs. Whichever is which is lower? Who should pay the tax? Shareholder or HUF? Under which head? IFOS. In the hands of company, no tax treatment but TDS will apply. But एक काम करो देन, वो एक पॉइंट वहीं लिख लो. रुको, ये क्या है यहां लिखे दे. देखो पॉइंट नंबर 1 में आओ. पॉइंट नंबर 1 क्या लिखे? नो बट विल बी लायबल टू डिडक्ट TDS अंडर सेक्शन 194 बोल के लिख दो. will be liable to deduct TDS under section 194. Detailed discussion in TDS chapter. On the screen now. ठीक है, कौन सा क्वेश्चन था अभी करे सो? रीड द आंसर. आंसर तो रीड करो ना रे. फिर Please read the answer. हाइलाइटर्स लेके आओ, हाईलाइट करो इंपॉर्टेंट सेंटेंस. ठीक है. दिस वॉज क्वेश्चन 16. 15 कंप्लीटेड नो रे, अभी तो कंप्लीट करें. 14 yesterday we did लास्ट सेशन में. 13 रिव्यू. 13 रिव्यू. कम टू 12. लिसन, खाली आंसर लिख लो. रिफर बाय बैक कॉन्सेप्ट, दैट्स इट, नथिंग एल्स यू हैव टू राइट. रिफर बाय कॉन्सेप्ट विच वॉज कवर्ड इन कैपिटल गेन्स टॉपिक. याद है ना? दैट इज द आंसर. वो याद रखना आप लोग को बस. ओके. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर पढ़ो रे. 11 ऑन द स्क्रीन. ऑन द स्क्रीन. और 11 each. Listen. MNO is a company which public are substantially not interested. Underline. It means it is closely held company. Like chiller ways में he will give. Next. K is a shareholder having, is it more than 10%? Yes. Accumulated profits are 10 lakhs. Company gave loan of 1 lakh. Stop. Loan amount. Profits, whichever is lower. 1 lakh. Company gave loan to K. Case 1, case 2, case 3. Case 1, all conditions are satisfied. How much is taxable to shareholder? 1 lakh. Under which head? And he will pay as per slab rates. Tax as per slab rates. How is the loan given? Account pay. Mode of payment is irrelevant. Rate of interest irrelevant. Whether he repaid in future irrelevant. The loan was not connected with the, ante he is not into money lending business. The loan was not connected to business का मतलब क्या होता सर? The company is not into money lending business. Clearly చెప్తున్నాడు వాడు. Okay. K repaid the loan. Underline repaid the loan. Chututu. Immaterial, irrelevant. Clear? So what's the final answer? वापिस बोलो रे. 1 lakh. Taxable in the whose hands? Mr. K. Under which head? IFRS. Which tax rates? Answer check कर लो please. Sir, our base is very strong. That's the reason we are able to answer. Before I answer, you are answering yourself. ठीक है? This was question 10 was for practice. कल कौन से क्वेश्चन दिया था रे में? 714 ना? 714 नहीं था, 710 था वो. 14 we did yesterday only in the session. 7, 10, 21, 22. 7, 10, 22. So this लिखो for practice. Which section this is? 222C, read with 46, read with 47. ये करे थे ना last session में? What is sale consideration here? FMV of asset received plus cash received minus deemed dividend under 222C. कल करे थे ना रे. Into percentage of shareholding. Okay. Come to question 9 on the screen. X a managing director Private Limited, 70% holding, paid up capital 20 lakhs. Reserves and surplus is 6 lakhs. Company gave an interest free loan of 5 lakhs. Stop. Name of the company. It is a private company. Okay. Loan amount 5 lakhs. Accumulated profit 6 lakhs. Whichever is 5 lakhs. Loan is given to supervisor. Stop. Case 1 says shareholder. Case 2 says this is third party. But third party should give that amount to, then only second case. Having salary of 4,000, who in turn advanced said amount so taken from the company to X. Definitely this is case number 2. Second doubt. Should we tax the third party or shareholder? Shareholder. Under which head? I first. How much amount? 6 lakhs or 5 lakhs, whichever is lower, 5 lakhs. Answer is done and dusted. Check kar lo. I am very good at all this. Chiller all this. From tomorrow I'll get idli dosa also in the class. Chutney kuda kavala, sambar base. Karampuri kuda kavala. Uttappa also I'll get. Please maintain some decorum in the session. No eatings and all, please. Thoda final students है sir आप लोग. Next. This was question 9. Come to question 8. Listen, this is interesting. This is my type of question. So na, I'll not read this. Yeah, sun lo bas. I don't want to read also. I am a shareholder. Company gave loan to me. Will section apply? Yes, if I hold more than 10% and all. Company gave loan to my wife. Oh, don't say only third party. Third party should give that money to shareholder. Kada only third party thodi hota. Now be practical. Loan is given by company to my wife. Will this section apply? Bolo re. Girl should answer in the session. Last bench lo no guda. Yes, bolo jaldi. Applies, huh? What were you eating, madam? First of all, tell me that. Chocolate, biscuit, ఏంటది? నాకు కూడా కావాలి. So now, we do not know what will happen, but a case में क्या हुआ? Company gave loan to wife. Wife constructed the house with that amount. Wife constructed house. Then court held, if the house is purchased in the name of husband, if the house is in the name of husband or joint name, we can say it is third party for the benefit of shareholder. However, if the house is purchased only in the name of wife, this section will not apply. मैं नहीं बोल रहा सर, ये कोर्ट के जजमेंट है. प्लीज चेक दिस प्रॉपरली. मार्क एज इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, हेलो, ठीक है, चलो. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 was given as review yesterday only. ठीक है, come to 6. Come to 6 on the screen. नेम इज नॉट गिवन, समवन एक्स परचेज्ड, आई गेस. कौन परचेज का नाम नहीं दिया, ठीक है. एक्स परचेज इन 2003 10,000 शेयर्स ऑफ एबीसी फॉर 5 lakhs by borrowing money from a bank. He holds them as investments. He received dividend of 1 lakh. Dividend bracket में taxable under IFOS. Correct no re? Okay. He has paid interest of 85,000 on the loan as per section 57 of yesterday's session. If you take a loan from anyone and invest in shares and paying interest on that, interest amount or 20% of dividend amount which will be allowed as deduction. Interest or 20% of 1 lakh 20,000, whichever is lower, 20,000. 1 lakh minus 20,000, that should be your answer. Check करो. నేను కరెక్ట్ చెప్తారా? वी कवर्ड नो लास्ट सेशन में एज पर सेक्शन 57 बोल के चार्ट बनाए थे ना रे. वही कॉन्सेप्ट आई एम यूजिंग हियर. ठीक है, हेलो, ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर, listen, I'll take my example only. You leave this problem with the example. I can explain this. So now, सुनो, assuming I am a shareholder of ABC Private Limited. आई बोले तो रौनक, ठीक है, shareholder. My wife said, do you want to stay with me? I'll not lie, Rabbi. I'll not lie. Still, I have to say yes. I was forced to transfer my shares to my wife. Transfer what? Shares. Is it a gift for her? Will gift section apply? I'll jump off from here and natak kare to. Gift section will not apply because received from relative. ठीक है, हेलो, यस. फर्स्ट रूल, फ्रॉम शेयर्स शी कैन गेट 2 types of incomes: dividend, capital gain. Who should pay the tax? इसलिए डोंट लाइक रहा. When clubbing was covered, or if it will be covered in future, clubbing, Ola, I gave my car to my wife, she gave to Ola, got rental income. Who should pay the tax on rental income? I should pay. If it is covered, well, if it's not covered, it will be covered in future. That is under 64(1) clause 4. Transfer of asset to spouse without consideration, not in connection of living apart. Any income derived shall be taxable or clubbed in the hands of transferor. Chalo, once again let us understand the concept. If this chapter is not covered, don't worry, it will be covered in future. If I give my shares to my any income she derives from the shares will be clubbed in the hands of transferor. So if my wife gets dividend income, who is the owner of the shares? Owner, wife. Who is receiving the dividend? Wife. Who is enjoying the income? Wife. Who is paying the tax? Clear? अब इसमें क्या हुआ? Company gave loan or advance to wife who is an existing shareholder. Case 1, case 2, case 3. Case 1. Taxable in the hands of shareholder. Who is shareholder? Wife. Under which section taxable? Under which section? 222E. Correct. But if I read along with 222E, that income will be clubbed in the hands of transferor. So in that case, who got the loan amount? Wife. Who is enjoying the loan amount? Who will pay the tax? This is the reality of life. Taxation also agrees with this. Clear with the concept. And when clubbing was covered, or if it is not going to be covered in future, this section was covered. 64 1 clause 4. Read the question and answer. पक्का समझ में आया रे? आपको पूरा बैकग्राउंड समझाया मैं इसलिए. Loan amount, profits, whichever is lower, husband or wife, wife received, taxable in the hands of wife as per 222E. But if I read that section with 64 1 clause 4, clubbed in the hands of transferor, transferor is husband, how much amount will be clubbed? 60,000. ऐसा simple रखेंगे ना सर, DT को will be very easy for you guys. Mark this as important question, important model. These type of questions we can repeatedly expect in the exam. Question 5. हो गया? आ जाओ. Question number 4. Forced strike off. That's an outdated question. On the screen, question number 3. Listen, we have still few common note points to be dictated. I'll dictate that also. पहले सुन लो. X Limited purchased shares in Y Limited in 1999. In August 2020, distributed shares of Y Limited in special to shareholders of the value of 10 lakhs. General reserve 11 lakhs. Discuss. कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आया. On the screen. On the screen, what did company purchase shares in? Which company? For company, the shares are what? Assets, investments that is given to shareholder. 3 sections we have which speaks about distribution of asset to shareholder. Did he say liquidation in the problem? C will not apply. Did he say reduction in share capital in the problem? D also will not apply. Did he, nothing is mentioned, so we'll directly go to A. Akkada, open 222A chart. What is value of deemed dividend ka? Values. Check karo. FMV of the asset or accumulated profits, whichever is lower. Asset का value कितना है? 10 lakhs. Accumulated profits कितना है? Whichever is, that will be taxable in the hands of shareholder. Under 222A for apple. Under which head? I first. As per which slab rates? नॉर्मल स्लैब रेट्स। ऐसा समझेंगे तो आंसर समझ में आता। मैं वापस बोल रहा हूं, आई विल नेवर रीड द आंसर, आई यू कैन ऑल्सो रीड द आंसर, माई जॉब इज टू एक्सप्लेन इट प्रॉपरली, विच आई विल डू। रीड। ठीक है, ठीक है, एवरीवन समझ में आया? क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 एंड 2 दोनों स्ट्राइक ऑफ करो, दोस आर आउटडेटेड बिकॉज 30 years बैक क्वेश्चंस दोस आर which are not relevant in the current time. Check karo, one is from November 1992, one is May 19, when you were Chinnu babies. You were also not born. Yes, me also. Clear? Okay. अब the let us heading लिखो, important note points. क्या कहते रे, वापस बोलो। important note points. एक बात समझाओ रे, how many sections we have for distribution of assets? Wish fellows, 5 कैसा रे डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन। चलो मेरे साथ लिखते जाओ, स्टार्ट राइटिंग विथ मी, डोंट वेट। I repeat, please start writing with me, don't wait. चलो बोलो, फर्स्ट में विच सेक्शन शुड अप्लाई? बोलो रे, सी। सेकंड वाले में, एंड लास्ट वन इज, चलो लिख लिए, पक्का हो गया सबका? नोट नंबर 2, differences between 222A/B/C/D versus 222E. Don't copy this, I'll give you time. डिफरेंस बिटवीन क्या है, वापस बोलो रे। लिसन, फर्स्ट डिफरेंस, दिस सेक्शन, विच सेक्शन रे? ABCD applies to all companies. CSWH/WHC, closely held company as well as widely held company, both listed as well as unlisted, whereas this section applies only to closely held. मैं वापिस बोल रहा हूं, don't focus on writing, I'll give you time. I said listen. यहां तक क्लियर? In sections ABCD we will consider Andhra Pradesh accumulated profits, whether capitalized or not. Here we will consider non-capitalized accumulated profits only. Number 3, TDS under section shall be deducted by company. Same point here also you will write. Same point here also you will write. बस है, copy कर लो. This only 3 points what I have. I don't have any other points. सर आपको थोड़ा बेसिक्स भी लिखवा दे रहा हूँ. So the concept becomes easy. Consider non-capitalized accumulated profits only. Non-capitalized. What the free reserves? ठीक है. हो गया? ये जल्दी बोलो रे. ठीक है, पक्का हो गया. नोट पॉइंट नंबर 3 लिखो. डेफिनेशन ऑफ, क्या कहते, 3 ट्रीज लिखो. डेफिनेशन ऑफ इंडियन कंपनी, डोमेस्टिक कंपनी, फॉरेन कंपनी. On the screen, this you have to copy, but let me explain. Definition of what do you mean by Indian company, what do you mean domestic, what do you mean by foreign. I'll explain now first. So now, listen. सुनो. ठीक, सुनो. दिस इज इंडियन कंपनी में यू विल राइट, दिस इज यू विल राइट अंडर डोमेस्टिक, दिस यू विल राइट अंडर फॉरेन. सुनते जाओ. फर्स्ट वन, registered under Companies Act, it's an Indian company, simple as it is, no confusions whatsoever. वापिस बोलो. Registered under company, either old or new. Old बोल तो 56, new बोले तो 36. That's an Indian company. Next, बोलो यार. Any company which has declared dividend in India is a domestic company. For example, Facebook is situated in USA, but their AGM was held in India due to some reason. I am not bothered also. AGM was held in and dividend was declared in. Facebook will be called domestic company. Facebook will be called domestic. Facebook is not registered under Companies Act. As per Indian Companies Act, registered some in USA, but Facebook will be called domestic company. Second rule, हमेशा याद रखना, all Indian companies are domestic companies. All domestic company are not. Facebook is a domestic company, but it is not an. It's like all agreements. All contracts are agreements. All agreements are not something like this. What is any company which is not a domestic company? Any company is not an Indian company kadanta. Any company which is not a domestic company. Why are we learning the definition? In yesterday's session, under actual dividend, we divide into 2 trees. Dividend received from Indian company slash domestic company. Dividend received from. So bloody we should know the meaning also then. Indian company. So last time Indian company बोलतो Companies Act. कोई डाउट ही नहीं है. डोमेस्टिक बोलतो any company which is set up somewhere but held AGM in and declared dividend in India. Foreign company which is not a domestic company. Simple as it is. जल्दी कॉपी कर लो. नो पेज नंबर फॉर ऑल दिस. इसके लिए भी पेज नंबर होना क्या रे. 161 पेज नंबर ऑफ द PDF notes you will find this, but copy right now. Again I am repeating, you will not read the PDF notes for dividend chapter because those notes are outdated. In Finance Act 2020, the entire chapter has been reversed. The incidence has been shifted from company to shareholder. Please understand that. ठीक है. इतना क्या लिख रहे रे. ठीक है. गाइस कम ऑन यार. हो गया. हाँ ठीक है. चलो कितने पॉइंट्स हो गए. हाँ 3. 1 second, give me 1 second please. అయిపోయిందంట. Fine. This completes taxation of dividend chapter. Okay.